To begin the customization process, navigate to the Edit Code section of your store and click on Customize Theme. Once you're inside the theme editor, locate the option to Add Section and select the section titled ANY Testimonial 11. This section is designed to help you showcase client testimonials in a visually appealing and fully customizable slider format that can match the overall tone and branding of your website. After adding the section, start by clicking on the first item. This is where you configure the main heading. You can select your preferred font family, adjust the heading font size, and set individual sizes for desktop and mobile to ensure a responsive layout. You can also fine-tune the line height to improve readability and choose a suitable heading text color to maintain brand consistency. This heading will serve as the introduction or title for your testimonial section, so make it clear and compelling. Next, click on the second item to customize the testimonial body text. Enable or disable the custom font setting based on your design preferences. Choose from a wide range of font families to ensure consistency with your store's typography. Adjust the text size for both desktop and mobile views and refine the line height to enhance legibility. Set appropriate top margins for different devices and select the text color that provides enough contrast for easy reading. You can also use this area to include brief summaries or detailed customer feedback. Proceed to the third item to style the rating text. Just like the previous items, you can enable or disable the custom font, choose the font family, adjust the font size for desktop and mobile, and define the line height. Adjust the margin top to position the rating text perfectly in relation to other elements. This text can reflect how many stars the customer gave or include words like excellent or very satisfied. Click on the fourth item to configure the individual testimonial card. Upload an author image to personalize each review, enter the author's name, and add a date for reference. You can also define the number of stars to visually display the customer rating. This adds credibility and professionalism to your review display. Return to the ANY Testimonial 11 section settings to configure the layout. Adjust the number of slides shown per view, the spacing between slides, and make sure to fine-tune these settings for mobile view for a consistent user experience across all devices. You can define the section margin top for desktop and mobile separately to control its positioning on the page. Enable autoplay to allow the testimonials to scroll automatically and configure the autoplay delay to suit the pace you prefer. Fine-tune horizontal and vertical padding, including custom padding for mobile views to make sure the content doesn't feel cramped. You can also control the border roundness, thickness, and toggle shadows to add depth and emphasis to each testimonial card. Further customize the section by setting uniform slide heights and aligning the slide content either to the center, left, or right, depending on the tone and structure of your site. Enable or disable custom testimonial fonts and configure their appearance, including font family, font size, line height, and mobile responsiveness. You can also manage the verified icon visibility and size for both desktop and mobile views. Choose whether or not to show the icon and adjust its color, author image size, roundness, and border thickness to keep a clean and consistent design. Verified icons help add authenticity to reviews, improving trustworthiness. You can toggle the author name visibility and customize its font size, line height, and margin top. Similarly, the testimonial date can have its own custom font settings. Adjust its size, spacing, and line height for better visual hierarchy. Enable star ratings, choose their size, and style the arrow icons used for navigating the testimonial slides. Adjust the icon size, border thickness, roundness, and apply a hover effect to make the experience more interactive. For final touches, manage the visibility of icons on different devices and select consistent text and accent colors, including verified icon colors, author name colors, date colors, and background shades. Lastly, enhance the section's overall presentation by choosing the right background color or apply a gradient background for a more dynamic look. set the border color, define section margins on all sides, and adjust the top, bottom, left, and right padding to ensure the testimonial section integrates seamlessly with the rest of your page. This level of control ensures your testimonial section looks polished, responsive, and completely aligned